Hello everyone, Mike here, and I can't believe how easy and inexpensive it is to make your own custom t-shirts. Never pay $30 for a custom t-shirt again. All you have to do is go to Amazon, pay $11 for this pack of 5 for the dark color shirts, and then they also have one for light color shirts. This one's even cheaper. It's almost $8 essentially, and you get 6, so you can make 6 t-shirts, and then if you look, you get 5 t-shirts for $15, right? So if you say you got this, it's about 20, so you pay about $35, right, for the whole thing, right? You would pay $35, 25 to 35 for a custom t-shirt, right? When you can just make it yourself and you get 5 out of the deal. It's amazing. So all you need is the t-shirts, the transfer paper, and then you need a printer, and then also an iron. You get your t-shirts and your transfer paper, you can go to Canva. This is one of my favorite sites. You can create an account, right? It is free. There are things you can purchase on Canva. You can actually make t-shirts on Canva and then purchase them through Canva. But they have all types of templates. But if you go to create design, there's actually a t-shirt option, right? And it comes up with recently used, so like popular things, right? So it has samples for you already. And you may look at this and you say, oh, I like that, right? But you can change the words. So you like kind of the layout of it, but you just want to change it up. You can put your own designs in here. You can do whatever you want. You can customize it. All right, so here is a picture of my dog. You can add pictures, and then there is the option to do effects and such. So this one, I kind of went with a darker theme. You can tailor this to your liking, and then I threw a little Scarface quote on there as a joke, obviously. So what we'd have to do, we can download this, and then we'll go to print it. All right, so it's downloaded, so we can go to print it. So I would suggest, so you don't waste paper, print it on a regular piece of paper first, see how it comes out, just to make sure. You don't want to waste the transfer paper like I did, right? And then also, when you go in here, you want to flip this horizontal, because when we iron it onto the shirt, it's going to basically be ironed on backwards. But then when we peel it off, it'll look correct. And when you go to print, another important step, you want to go to fill entire paper. The one I printed off in like the section of the paper, so not happy about that, but that's another thing. So we can print this, and then I'll show you what to do once we print it. All right, so we have the printer, HP printer, got off eBay actually, and then mine goes straight down and out depending on how yours prints. You want it to print on this side, so you're not that side. So mine just goes straight down, so I'll go ahead and print it that way. All right, so we have our gray t-shirt here. So it's on a table, and then we want to get the iron it out before we put the picture on there. So make sure your iron is set to no steam, and then you can begin ironing it. After you iron for about 5 to 10 minutes, you can try to get it up on the edge, and then you can peel away the paper. So there it is, pretty cool. Kind of goes with the color of the shirt, but obviously you can change the color of the picture, change the colors of the shirt, kind of do whatever you want and save a lot of money doing it. For watching, I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.